Hello, Hoover Academic Award honorees and families. I am Melissa Henley, the Hoover Academic Booster Club president, as well as a member of the class of 1998 and past recipient of the HABC Academic Letter Award. We want to welcome you to the 27th Annual Academic Award presentation. Thank you for joining us virtually this year as our Booster Club board worked very closely with Mr. Bornstein to reimagine awards night in a safe method in order to come together and recognize our students and distribute the letters and pins. For those of you joining us for the first time, I would like to share a little more information about the Hoover Academic Booster Club. We are a 501c3 nonprofit established in 1992. We are solely funded by parents and educators in partnership with local businesses, civic groups, and the community. Our mission is to promote academics, encourage each student to strive for his or her personal best, and recognize Hoover High School students for their achievements, leadership skills, and citizenship. The support we receive enables HABC to provide opportunities to our students and staff, such as academic scholarships, academic letters and pins, classroom grant opportunities, and student leadership program sponsorship. The students that are being recognized at this time have obtained at least a 3.75 weighted grade point average for a full year's coursework during the 2019-2020 school year. First year recipients receive an academic letter. Second and third year recipients receive gold bars to pin onto their letters. These awards were distributed in the student's third period class, and in the event the student is off campus at that time, the award can be picked up in guidance. This presentation would not be possible without the hard work by Mr. Tom Wilson's video production class and Mrs. Danny Wackerly's broadcasting journalism class. Before we recognize the individual students, I want to turn it over to our keynote speaker, coming to us from Los Angeles, California. He is a Hoover graduate from the class of 1985, as well as an actor known for his leading role in the series Warehouse 13 and appearing in many of your favorites like Friends, CSI, King of Queens, Modern Family, and many, many more. I give you Eddie McClintock.
Thank you, Melissa, and thank you to the Hoover Academic Awards Club. It's an honor to be here tonight. As Melissa said, yes, it's true, I am Eddie McClintock. I graduated from North Canton Hoover in 1985. I went down to Wright State University in Dayton, got a degree in business communications. I'm not sure what that means exactly, but I own it. After I graduated, I moved to Los Angeles to sell corporate insurance for my uncle. That didn't work out for me. It just wasn't in the cards, so I started working, I moved to Hollywood from West Los Angeles and started working in Hollywood and eventually made my way to the screen. I worked very hard. There was a lot of ups and downs, but I never gave up. And what was important to me was striving for excellence, and that's something that I learned when I was at North Canton Hoover. I played football at North Canton, I wrestled at North Canton. North Canton is my heart, North Canton is my home. The reason I'm here today is because I relate. I relate to the idea of striving for excellence because that's what I was told and that's what I was taught by my coaches, my teachers, my parents, and the people in the community. So congratulations to you tonight. I think we're honoring 552 of you. I mean, imagine, that is amazing. 552 young people from North Canton Hoover are going to go out into the world and help change it for the better because you've strived for excellence. You strive for excellence at home, with your parents, helping your brothers and sisters, helping the people in the community, helping those around you. You strive at school for excellence. You get good grades, you be a model for other students who may be struggling. And that's what's really important, that I've found, especially I have kids now because I'm old, as you can see, is to be a model. an example to those around you, to be a light of what it means to strive for excellence in everything that you do. It's a great honor for me to be asked to be here, and like I said, North Canton Hoover and North Canton and Ohio is my heart. And even though I've lived in Los Angeles and worked in Hollywood since before you were born, let's just put it that way, I've never forgotten the lessons that I've learned back home. So as you go out into the world, as you move on to college or whatever you decide to do, take your parents with you, take your teachers with you, and take the idea of striving for excellence in everything that you do with you. Again, thank you so much for having me. I'm a Viking for life. I hope to meet all of you one day, and OH. Oh, hey, hi guys. It's Eddie again. I almost forgot. And now, Katie Criswell, Matt Crawley, and Adam Schlosser will now step to the podium to present you with your individual awards. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it.
Samantha Abbott, Cecilia Aguirre, Braden Alexander, Alexandria Allshouse, Chantel Anthony, Isaac Bates, Elena Beednell, Claire Beinecke, Madeline Bennett, Jane Bird, Owen Blackledge, Andrea Bonamico, Gabriel Bond, Mia Bond, Joshua Boylan, Madison Brayley, Nicholas Brown, Aiden Bunshu, Elizabeth Burleson, Bo Bircher, Catherine Cantor, Kyle Capozzi, Nathan Cassidy, Connor Selse, Reagan Chafee, Grace Christensen, Claire Schufar, Andrew Koblenz, Lena Collins, Lily Conrad, Sophia Corey, Ariana Kulis, Catherine Criswell, Joseph Cronin, Casey Cunningham, Isaac Cunningham, Isabella Curette, Samantha Zuba, Gabriel Dannemiller, Logan Daubenspeck, Eliana Dean, Benjamin de Guzman, Graham Dybel, Oliver Dianchand, Alan Diaz, Toby Dick, Rachel Dorniker, David Dray, Julie Dunlap, Riley Durbin, Rachel Dvorchak, Isaiah Dyer, Sydney Elliott, Emma Ellis, Sarah Esterly, Bryce Evans, Zachary Evans, Savannah Faith, Michael Frito, Sarah Fowler, Giovanni Frate, Tyler Freeman, Caitlin Frucci, Oswald Garcia, Dory Gardner, Allison Garrett, Ava Geisinger, Nathan Girdlestone, Dominic Granito, Madeline Gregory, Emmy Grimaldi, Mazzy Grisak, Harrison Grisey, Kiara Groh, Kaden Gergongas, Austin Hansen, Kayla Harland, Kate Haubert, Madison Hawks, Carl Helmuth, Elena Henley, William Henney, Jarek Herstein, Augustin Holben, Sophia Holmes, Ryan Hoskinson, Deacon Humbert, Rachel Ickes, Logan Jeffries, Aliki Kansos, Reed Kelliker, James Kelly, Summer Kelly, Alyssa Kendall, Amari Kennard, Matthew Corrali, Alexis Kirkbride, Ian Kling, Luca Krujuliak, Sophia Crieris, Mary Kreidler, Grace Lenneman, Bria Lewis, Maya Lewis, Morgan Lineweaver, Carter Lynn, Marshall Lockridge, Aidan Lockdish, Francis Maley, Trevor Maley, Andrew Malamacey, Ariana Manos, Lily Martin, Faith Mask, Megan Maxim, Jenna Maxwell, Grace May, Lena McCarty, Macy McCauley, Peyton McKinnon, Noah Mead, Isabel Medina, Natalie Mellert, Javen Miller, Megan Miller, Braden Moy, Maddie McLeroy, Jonas Molenkamp, Lillian Mullins, Jonathan Murphy, Jessica Musa, Kirsten Norris, Stephen Nudo, Nathaniel Oler, Grace O'Leary, Julia Pack, Sage Parks, Luke Penny, Nicholas Phelps, Reagan Phillips, Aaron Pike, Sophia Plaucha, Amanda Rambach, Miranda Rambod, Matthew Ryder, Ella Remblack, Joseph Rice, Allison Richardson, Andrew Robinson, John Roshak, Bergen Sally, Audrey Sargis, Camille Scalera, Leah Schaffner, Adam Slosser, Ryan Schwenny, Jenna Semrau, Mitchell Shannon, Graciana Schock, James Sheets, Nicole Schilling, Kincaid Schreiber, Yalnez Sadiki, Clayton Skelly, Corinne Slesnick, Bradley Smith, Olivia Snyder, Emma Snyder, Sophia Spellman, Ellie Spicer, Carissa Sponseller, Piper St. Clair, Reagan St. Clair, Addison Stallman, Robert Stangela, Savannah Stratton, Emily Sturr, Lexi Takis, Jay Timken, Gavin Timms, Elliot Torno, Matthew Troff, Hannah Yulick, Ava Isabella Umloff, Mason Upperman, Ariana Vallis, Avery Vance, Caitlin Van Zant, Yanni Bolus, Emily Walker, David Weber, Carter Wenzel, Jacob White, Gavin Williams, Lauren Winkhart, Sabrina Wolf, Adeline Wolf, Marcus Wolf, Logan Urick, Caroline Zollinger, Adrian Zilko,
Elia Albaba, Logan Alex, Madison Allman, Lillian Altman, Isabel Andrews, Ella Bear, Aaron Barnby, Alexia Barnett, Mary Basiakos, Jack Baxter, Drew Berkshire, Aryan Bardwaj, Abigail Blackburn, Ellie Blake, Rayleigh Blandine, Isabella Bond, Caitlin Bookwalter, Joseph Bowling, Tristan Bragg, Kinsley Brazil, Ty Boy, Virginia Cameron, Francesco Canosi, Gina Cardinelli, Justin Chambers, Isabella Caniglio, Alexis Correno, Cristiano Corsi, Ethan Crawford, Chloe Krosky, Dylan Daig, Ethan Dayton, Hayden Dennis, Judith DeVore, Anna Donahue, Isis Durkin, Zoe Egon, Caitlin East, Ryan Ellers, Alyssa Eckmark, Alexa Everhart, Lakin Ewerts, Andrew Einan, Jason Fallett, Blaze Fichter, Evan Fink, Colin Fitzgerald, James Floyd, Gracie Ford, Lene Foster, Garrett Free, Logan Galantine, Dominic Gambone, Christos Ganyos, Brooklyn Jeniton, Riley Gent, William Golobeck, Paige Goss, Anthony Gross, Jesse Holmesy, Brennan Harder, Olivia Heller, Tanya Henderson, Cade Henney, Brendan Hobe, John Holland, Ashton Holtgreven, Grace Humbert, Elena Indorf, Parker Johnson, Zoe Jones, Nicholas Joseph, Ashley Kelly, Faith Kiko, Samantha Kaur, Sydney Koosh, Olivia Korak, Charles Krennock, Elijah Lang, Brady Lang, Alexander Lehman, Zoe Lemon, Carly Lewis, Grace Leitner, Andrew Logan, Kylie Maley, Andrew McLeod, Catherine McMullen, Gabriella Murda, Carolyn Merritt, Blake Metzger, Matthew Meisner, Jonathan Moldve, Lily Montgomery, Elena Morris, Daphne Morrison, Michaela Mountain, Audrey Nichols, Leah Knighty, Nestor Nishimiye, Alexa Ogilvy, Zachary Oler, Elise Orosa, Matilda Pablo, Tori Pavloy, William Paz, Holly Peters, Sienna Pilati, Austin Rambod, Madison Rakowski, Madison Rice, Bailey Rinkus, Andrew Roach, Luke Roach, Timothy Roach, Kylie Rooney, Isabella Rosette, Angela Roshak, Micah Roth, Jessica Rothman, Nicholas Saris, Sage Shaney, Charles Seaberger, Emma Seaberger, Ashley Shaw, Michael Shimek, William Shoemaker, Robert Smart, Ava Smith, Dominic Sunlin, Morgan Sopzak, Tyler Sowers, Alexa Spargrove, Bryson Splon, Boston Sullivan, Peyton Sullivan, Riley Swank, Courtney Taylor, Reese Taylor, Kaden Testa, Christopher Thompson, Caroline Schreiner, Kaden Van Natta, Lily Van Ostren, Nicholas Vardavis, Madison Walker, Isabel Warburton, Tanner Ware, Thomas Weitzel, Abigail Wilsbacher, Nathan Wilson, Taylor Wilson, Nicole Wyrick, Mackenzie Wolf, Levi Wood, Cameron Wright, Zachary Zenner, Charles Zerer, Brockton Zarko, Nathan Zollinger,
Alyssa Adams, Michaela Alexander, Ian Anderson, Lauren Anderson, Nathan Andrews, Leah Arnett, Julian Arntz, Ryan Baca, Braden Battershell, Andrea May Bellin, Brendan Bell, Natalie Bell, Riley Beller, Mason Bile, Kate Bird, Aiden Blackburn, William Bopp, Lillian Bowen, Nolan Brandt, Bella Bressi, Olivia Brosh, Lauren Bunchu, Anthony Caggiano, Gavin Christopher, Mackenzie Clay, Lauren Coleman, Lucia Conrad, Anissa Cook, Abigail Cox, Grace Craig, Sydney Kramer, Braelyn Crockett, Taylor Crookston, Aiden Cross, Emma Curd, Jacob Davidson, Bruno de Freitas, Brennan de Guzman, Isabella Dennison, Abigail Dimengo, Cameron Dungan, Nathan East, Haley Ellis, Austin England, Janet Erickson, Sabrina Estevez, Tyler Evans, Amanda Fetzko, Gavin Finley, Kyle Fitzpatrick, Mackenzie Foss, Sydney Foss, Cohen Foster, Derek Francis, Owen Frank, Nella Frate, Spencer Fry, Rory Galbraith, Ava Gardner, Thomas Girdlestone, Luke Grigualo, Cassandra Grimm, Shannon Griswold, Cameron Gilly, Evan Guo, Olivia Hansen, Alexa Hapstack, Caitlin Heron, Hannah Hirschberger, Addison Herstein, Ellie Heslep, Hannah Higgins, Sophia Hillier, Cecilia Hoban, Dominic Holmes, Jocelyn Householder, Sarah Hughes, Jaron Isle, Madison James, Matthew James, Kate Jeffries, Reagan Jeffries, Noah Johnson, Anna Jones, Sarah Jones, Sophia Jones, Sean Kavanaugh, Addison Kern, Hannah Kiko, Maximus Kiko, Nathan Kimball, Jeremy Kish, Brianne Klein, Gabriella Kling, Angelina Kowiniglu, Milan Krzyuliak, Chase LaChance, Tate Lahey, Hannah Lang, Aiden Ledsum, William Lee, Cameron Lehman, James Lenneman, Ross Leopold, Isabella Libertor, Hudson Lint, Sean Lowry, Elena Marks, Evan Mertens, Nicholas Martin, Griffin Maxim, Brooke Mazanik, Julia McCartney, Connor McCaw, Cody McLean, Joy McCoon, Ethan McKelly, Jack McKelly, Molly Mead, Samuel Meister, Gabrielle Michaelides, Joshua Milam, Alec Miller, Maya Miller, Joelle Morgan, Thomas Mossholder, Isabella Musa, Annabelle Nixon, Dominic Nunziato, Kelsey O'Leary, Megan O'Leary, Sophia O'Leary, Nathan Osborne, Spencer Osborne, Jacob Owens, Jordan Palmer, Riley Paskoff, Kostas Paxos, Paige Pendergrass, Marissa Perry, Nolan Pierpont, Sydney Pike, Nico Pettini, Jonathan Popescu, Veronica Popova, Josie Powell, Mackenzie Paridis, Ekshita Priyadarshi, Anthony Papillo, Lily Ricard, Weston Reisinger, Luke Roach, Lauren Rose, Tess Rossler, Hunter Ross, Dylan Sacco, Jacqueline Scafidi, Jessica Scafidi, Kaden Schans, Taylor Shear, Caroline Schiltz, Roger Schmucker, Kendra Seidel, Lexi Schugartz, Chloe Sine, Porter Sloan, Thomas Smart, Brandon Snyder, Alexis Spangler, Chloe Spellman, Timothy Stangelo, Grayson Thomas, Mitchell Thomas, Mario Tortorella, Matthew Totsi, Caitlin Turner, Riley Vincencio, Costa Volis, Ava Wadley, Blake Ward, Jane Wiseburn, Sarah Weitzel, Riley Witt, Allison Wims, Camden Wolf, Madeline Wolford, Claire Wood, Brianna Yoder, Alexander Zepp, Kathy Zhang, Zoe Zollinger.
Once again, I want to congratulate all of our academic award recipients, as well as take this opportunity to thank the community for all of your support. To find out more information about the Hoover Academic Booster Club, you can find our page on the North Canton Hoover High School website, or you can find us on Facebook. Thank you very much.